So we're going to be replacing the hard drive in this laptop. This one is SSD from Crucial. There's some things on this laptop, both personally and professionally, that are not going to want to go on to the next owner, and instead of wiping the drive and reformatting it, figured to spend the $20, upgrade it, be able to advertise that it's got an SSD, even though it's going to be a smaller capacity. Plus, worst thing that happens, we sell for about the same price and we got this video. So looks like there's a screw here. I did look inside this thing a while ago, and I believe I took this out. So that's probably where, oh, and there's one up here. So I'm not, this isn't the first time going in here. Hopefully it'll be the last. Now, should just, yep, there we go. Yeah. There's dog hair in there. So, drive here. Drive here. All right. That there for the moment. Take the screws out of the sled here, here, and the one part that everyone seems to mess up the first couple times doing this is they will end up putting the drive in wrong, and everything won't line up. So I always double check to make sure I'm going to be putting this one in the same way before I take this out, because I'm really paranoid that I'm going to do it wrong, because I have. I always put it back in the package the same way. This thing's so much lighter, it's ridiculous. So, and I'm not going to, I didn't, and I'm not going to transfer the operating system and everything. I'm going to put Linux operating system on here because I wanted a completely new operating system, no track back to what was on here before, just my own personal preference. If you're doing this to upgrade your laptop, that's perfectly fine too. Make sure you do get everything transferred before. If you're just, I don't know, someone's yelling at their computer right now telling me there's a better way to do this, but make sure you transfer all your stuff over to the new drive if you need to. Someone's screaming right now. It's not the best light to do this. There we go. Someone's going to leave a comment, oh, you shouldn't even be working on computers. Well, guess what? This isn't my job. It's barely a hobby, but wouldn't mind. So we get that put in there. Put this back in. If it'll go back in, and it will. go. Get some convincing going on in there. My fingers don't work like they used to when I was younger. That's fine. And no, I don't have like the 100% professional type tools. I have what I have, which is probably not the same of what just anyone else would have laying around. That's why I do these videos. Maybe one day I'll be a lot better at it. Maybe not. Just make sure, whatever you do, you have some kind of basic understanding of what you're trying to accomplish. I know too many times I'd start a project not exactly knowing what I was going to do, and that's dangerous. But hopefully this video helps someone, or maybe it's 3 o'clock on YouTube and you're just looking around. So this drive will go into an external case. I'll reformat it, use it as an external for a while, and then maybe sell that one online too. So thank you for watching, and like the video, dislike it, leave a comment. Maybe I'll play some terrible music underneath this. If not, check out some of my other videos. Thank you.